following was recorded during the live Q&A session after Arnold's Tech Talk, Thin Metals and Battery Technology. You can find the link to the full presentation, including more in-depth Q&A, in the video description below.
Surface roughness is very important to our application. How much control do you have over surface finish?
Yeah, another great question. I think in general, Arnold Magnetic Technologies Precision Thin Metals division has probably more control than the standard re-rolling facility may have in the industry. And really what that comes down to is managing the contact roll tooling in-house, having several different methods to polish those work rolls. We can have tooling segregated for certain customers or projects over time. So really we're able to, and it's not just from a surface roughness standpoint, but we can design in the right tooling and the right routing so that it goes through machinery on a correct schedule and design in and yield a very specific surface roughness, surface cleanliness. So those things are defined several ways through industry specifications, but we control all of that in-house, and we're able to essentially reverse engineer any type of surface characteristics or even mechanical characteristics when a battery producer maybe has to build a stack of anodes and cathodes and then cut it somehow. The mechanical values, the actual tensile strength, the yield strength, the elongation, and the chemistry, which is controlled, before that point. Those are all things that we're able to design experiments on and create routings for internally with our metallurgy and engineering groups. So it's surface roughness, but it's really all the material properties are well within control, just based on our own routing designs in-house.